What's going on, everybody? Cartier Silver coming at you. Alright, got a special little thing I'm going to do today. My buddy Humble, I've been doing some different work for him, pouring him like the freedom seeds and stuff like that. And he had a special request. You know, he went to fgstacker and he had this made up. It says, I don't know if you can see it out here in this light, but it says Humble Stacker on it. It's a lighthouse. Try to get that a little bit better for you. But I'm going to pour 2 of these right now. And everything's hot, everything's ready. So let's do this and see what we come up with. I'm going to wait on that second one. I'm going to throw some more silver in there. I don't know how much this is going to take. You know, I threw in like, I think I threw in like 4 ounces. So we're going to see. I mean, the button, the sprue on it is going to probably be the most of it. But hopefully I can pull it out hot, chop it, and then we'll be good to go. So let me see what we got. Looks like a very good pour. Yeah, I think that might be a little too hot to be able to, I might be able to get it. Nah, I'm going to have to cut that off. I thought maybe with it being really hot, I'd be able to cut it real quick. Let's do the dip. Brusha, brusha, brusha. Brush your silver so white. Ah, Humble. This came out nice, dude. You anxious to see it? Humble, are you dying to see this thing or what? Oh man, that came out nice. I'll bring it inside and you know, oh, that was a good one right there. Got to get the light just right, but the stairs came out. I mean, everything, it looks beautiful, dude. Even that little thing that was inside the lighthouse, I'm not exactly sure what that was. It was like a little door or something in there. But yeah, the letters came out beautiful. Back isn't bad. No, I'll smooth all that out. It'll be perfect, brother. Alright, that's one. I'm going to go grab some more silver. I'm going to cut this sprue off. Try to get a weight on this thing. Now I can figure out exactly how much they are. I mean, it's pretty decent size. Alright, everybody. You know what? Considering that frickin' thing is so hot right now, I could probably just drop in some more shit, and it'll probably only take like a couple minutes. So, let's go do that. Alright, back. Got some more stuff to play with. I know these are not 4 ounce. That's for damn sure. With the sprue on it. I mean, you want to pour extra silver. I mean, you want that weight. You need to have that weight pushing down. That's why you have these vents going out, the air vents. But you want to have that weight pushing in. That way you get a nice piece. Look at that. Dude, you're going to love this shit. Wait till I clean it up. Alright. But with the furnace being so hot, I mean, this stuff is going to go easy. And there's still a little bit left in there. Yeah, that stuff is already starting to melt. Awesome, awesome. Only thing, humble, I do have one little tiny issue. This isn't hot anymore, is it? Not bad. Alright, it's not too hot. But, I want to show you. Alright, this was our other thing. You know, when I talked to Humble, he was like, oh, I'm going to send you this. And this originally started because of this. This is a little painting shovel from B&B prospecting that he had. So both him and B&B, Humble and B&B, both want one of these. So I'm going to pour it out of silver for him. My only issue is this. So I'm going to have to make a mold for this. So this is not getting poured today. Sorry, my brother. But I will make a little box and I will get these done ASAP. But I wish I could pour these today, but it's just not going to happen. I am going to do some more shells. I got a bunch of shells set up. You know, once I get this pour done, I'm going to pull out some of my shit, and I want to get these all poured. And I wanted to do the Endeavor today. I don't know if that's going to happen. But I'm going to try. You know, it's still kind of early. It's a nice day out. Finally got the day off, so I'm doing pretty good. I'm a happy camper. Just bought some more cool shit off of Auction Palooza today. I bought like 3 Morgans off of them last week at 28 bucks a piece. I just picked up another one today for 28, and the auction's still going on. And a mint set. And I usually give those out for like freebies or gauze or something like that. But I was cheap enough to pick up. Let's see how this shit's doing. See, what did I tell you? It's already freaking liquid. Once that furnace is hot and you drop that shit in, she's ready to go. So I'm gonna move this baby over. Put you up there. Just move you down this way. All right. Let's pour it. Alright, that looks like another beautiful one. It'll be just like this. Just like that. Man, this came out nice. Once I get her all cleaned up, I'll bring her inside. See if I can cut these off real quick. Oh shit. There goes about a grammer down the frickin' sink. Alright, the porch got that one. 'Cause there ain't no way in hell I'm crawling underneath that son of a bitch. Pick that up. It ain't gonna happen. Not gonna happen, Captain. Alright. Bust this other puppy open. See what we got. Oh yeah, it looks like another. Oh, sorry, didn't mean to kick you. Looks like another beautiful one. Get her wet. Get her cleaned up. This one's going to take a little bit of work. No, there's nothing screwed up with it. It's just the didn't have as tight as a seal around it as the other. So you got a little bit of slag coming off the sides here. Most of that should probably just chop right off. Make sure I get it in the pan. Oh, this ain't bad at all. A little bit of Dremel work around the side. That was a tough one. Yeah, just like the other one. Letters came out beautiful. Get some of that shit cleaned up off there. Give me a nice little reveal here. Humble Stacker Part 2. You gotta love that, brother. I'll smooth those all out. I gotta get with you. I don't know how you want me to stamp them. If you want me to put my initial on there, you want me to just do the weight. It's up to you. You tell me what you want, and I'll do it for you, my friend. But those are gonna be awesome. All right, I'm gonna head out for a little bit. That way I can cut all these sprues off. And I need to go get some more silver so I can do my shells. And maybe I'll get set up. I can do the Endeavor. I want to pour that ship today. I really do. That's like one of my favorites. I thought the U.S. Constitution, the USS Constitution was nice. But that frickin' Endeavor has got a frickin' high relief on there. That goddamn coin is beautiful. I can't wait to pour that thing and see how it comes out. Alright, everybody. Cartier Silver saying, I shall come back at you in a few minutes. Well, not just a few minutes, a little bit. I'll be back. Y'all keep on keeping on. See ya.